There's so much talk these days about egg freezing, why you should do it, and what age you should do it at, and how many eggs should you have frozen. Well, I want to expand the conversation to one of the most important decisions that you need to make. The decision of who you're going to work with, who's going to freeze your eggs. It can make all the difference between success and failure. Does egg freezing work? Absolutely it works. But egg freezing isn't a guarantee. The younger you are and the more you have frozen, the higher chance it's going to work. But also beyond that, in addition to picking the right doctor, it's even more important to make sure that you pick the right lab. You're going to have a higher chance of having it work if you freeze your eggs with a program that already has success. You need to know your laboratory's results with egg freezing and thawing. How experienced are they? How long have they been doing it? But most importantly, ask this one question. How many babies do you have from eggs that have been frozen and thawed in your program? Vetting the laboratory behind the doctor that you choose to work with is the #1 decision that you should be informed about. Vet the lab out. In a program like ours, for example, we're very comfortable answering this. We have well over 150 babies born from eggs that we have frozen and thawed in our own program. The embryologists of OVA, we've been in the field since 1986, so we've seen it all. We've been part of the pilot studies, perfecting cryopreservation techniques. Success from egg freezing can mean a lot of different things, but really the only thing that really matters is, do I have a chance of getting a baby from this technology? Absolutely. Do your homework. Study the financial packages. Understand why egg freezing is something important for you to consider. But don't forget to vet the program out that you're going to work with for this freezing. We've been called the best babysitters of these eggs once they're frozen, and that's something that we don't take lightly, because this is really important to assure you that if and when you come back to work with your frozen eggs, that they're going to have the best chance of a successful outcome.